Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Today we're in Beloit, Wisconsin, doing an estimate for a gentle detergent wash on the siding, get this green algae mold mildew off, and possibly get this white fence cleaned up here as well. It's got a lot of that green algae. I'd like to remind our clients is that although you are calling for a power washing quote, that's not what we do. We apply a special formulated gentle detergent, let it dwell, and that actually removes all the algae in the mold for us. And then after that, with 9 gallons a minute instead of 3,500 psi at 2.8 gallons a minute, we wash it down with no more pressure than a garden hose. Same goes with your house. We do all that from the ground with no ladders, no scaffolding. Super effective process. You don't have to worry about anybody falling off a ladder or causing damage to your home because of high pressure. I see that you have a lot of detailed painted areas here that don't have the aluminum wrapping, the trim coil, and you really don't want to power wash that. So our gentle detergent chemical cleaning process that's eco-friendly, say for pets, plants, and the environment, is going to be the best process for that. And so we can do all that from the ground. Now, based on the type of windows you have, if you were to lift them up about 2 inches before we do the house wash, that'll help rinse out any bugs or nastiness on your window tracks, and it'll be easier to get your windows clean after we're done. I did notice just by walking around the house here quick that you have some soffit starting to fall off there. To just take my ladder and put a screw or two up there to try to hold it. I don't think that's the best solution, but it is a solution, and I'd be glad to do it for you at no extra cost if we were to do the house wash. While we're here, we'll knock out that fence there in the front and make that look pretty. So my name is Eddie. It's good to meet you. Thank you for your time. Look forward to working with you. Any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on 815-520-6020. Thank you.